Want to send a Safari bookmark as a PDF through iMessage? With iOS 26, it's easy to turn any web page you've saved into a clean PDF and share it instantly. Here's how to do it. Open Safari on your iPhone. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu, tap Bookmarks. Find the bookmarked web page you want to share. You might need to open a specific folder if you've organized your bookmarks. Once you see the one you want, tap to open the bookmarked page. Now that it's loaded, tap the three-dot menu again in the corner. Then select Share. In the Share menu, tap Options at the top. Under Send As, choose PDF. Then tap the blue checkmark button in the top right to save your format selection. Now tap Messages from the Share options. Enter your recipient, add a message if you like, and hit Send. And that's it. Your bookmarked web page has been converted into a PDF and sent directly through iMessage. You can also choose Web Archive or other formats depending on how you want the content saved or shared. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart iPhone tricks using iOS 26. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.